Hello and welcome to this quick win. Today I'm going to be talking about a feature on the read-write bar. So here you can see on the screen I have a news article that I copied from the BBC News website. And let's say I'd like the students to read through the text and then use the information in a task. Unfortunately, a few of the students in my class, let's say they have low literacy grade. So therefore I need to be able to assist them with some sort of scaffolding or support. So the students generally know that they can select text and they can use the play button and play the text. But we have another option at our disposal. What I can do is I can select either the whole text or the text that's most relevant. For my example here, I'm just going to select it down to about here. There we go. And then up on the bar at the top here, I have a number of options, but it's this one here, and if you put your mouse over it, it's called the audio maker. And when you click on the audio maker, what it will do is it will use the same text-to-speech system that it would use to read the information to the students, but this time it's going to save that audio as an MP3 file. So if I just call this demo, obviously I always recommend you name the file something appropriate, as it will help you find it later and it will help the students access it when you post it to something like Google Classroom. But for this I'm just going to call it a demo and I'm going to click save like that. There we go, so that has now been saved, which means I now have an MP3 file that has the audio from this text. So if I open this up now, just to show you what you end up with.
Elon Musk's Starship rocket goes further and higher, but is then lost, published by Jonathan Amos, science correspondent. US company SpaceX says it has made significant progress in the development of its mammoth new rocket.
Okay, I'm going to stop it there, but you get the idea. Now you have an audio resource that you can post to Google Classroom or any other virtual environment, and you could email it to the students, you could attach it to a presentation, so the students can hear the text, so they can, I always suggest putting the text in there as well so they can follow along, but it means that they have another way of accessing the material to help them develop their literacy skill, but also means they have full access to the material and therefore can attempt the task. Hope this was useful, and until next time, have a great day.